back to another video. So today I'm joined with my dad and we're going to be making a 3-cheese vegetable pack pasta bake. As requested from you guys to do a cooking video. So let's get straight on with it.
Step 1.
I look really white.
Preheat the oven to 240 or 220 Celsius, which I already did. And for those of you who don't know how to work an oven, you turn it on by the knobs.
How do you say that word?
Gusto.
That's the thing we're following on with. Okay. Have you boiled the kettle?
No. You need to fill the kettle up, boil it up.
Yeah.
Filled up.
Peel and finely chop the garlic or grate.
How many?
4.
4? Yummy. Take the biggest. 4.
Definitely that one. Look at that one. Look at that one compared to that one.
Yeah, peel it then.
And the skin
I'll
is
get this
so
one.
hard.
We'll get this one boiled and randy now. Pre-chopped already? No, that's all stuff. That's hard. Garlic up your fingernail.
That's what happened to the onion. When I did the onion, it was just getting all up my fingers. Add the tortillas.
The what? I think that's tagliatelle.
Yeah, to the pot of boiling water. How much water are we supposed to have though?
Make some noise!
Some great boiling there.
Slow mo.
Great.
Example? What was it?
Add a pinch of salt, put the boiling water in, add a pinch of salt. Let's cook, drain the toilet.
Yeah, see? It's a good job I'm here. It's a bit hard to guess with a pinch of salt.
And then you have to reboil the kettle again.
Yeah. I think there's a pinch.
So now we just have to wait for it to boil.
Oh, right, I've got
You need to turn it off!
I won't just put it in the hot water, I'm boiling it, doing it enough for it. It's all weird. Oh, I have to put a lid on it. Should have put a lid on it. Fill my cup. Okay, now.
What, that you're a teen queen?
Okay, cook for 8 to 12 minutes or until a slight bite. Okay.
So we've just got to sit here and wait.
While the pasta's cooking, chop the courgette into quarter lengthways.
Oh, so it's
And
like how you
slice
cook.
fine.
It's how you cook cut cucumber.
Got to
You've got to do it as if it's a cucumber. So you do like massive chunks like that, cut it, and then or you can slice it like that and then slice it like that.
take its head off and its tail. Cut it in half and then half again.
Okay. The wee game, they're like.
And then you're not like that. Where am I? Not in my case. No fingers. Drizzle. Not that much.
Wow. While you're doing that,
Yeah.
meanwhile dissolve the vegetable stock mix, dry basil. Okay, I can do that.
It's all done. Cold all the way now.
I'll do that.
I think next time we need to get all the stuff out. There's less the banging and crashing and crashing and all of them. Right, this is starting to go soft now.
Okay.
A bit like my head.
Well, I'm a bit behind.
that's the stock, is it?
That smells nice. It smells like curry.
Yeah, try and get on the sides.
It smells like curry. I'm going to put it in the exact order they say on here. Well, we close the door. Why is sugar measured in millilitres? Shouldn't it be measured in grams? Or tablespoons?
Tablespoon would be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You wouldn't know what a tablespoon is.
I've got to do 100 of these.
100?
No, how many? 5 divided by 5.
Put some sugar in it, isn't it?
100 divided by 5.
Yeah. Get it right. Ask her that.
What's 100 divided by 5? It's definitely over 20 because 20 is 60. Oh yeah, Ed's got a calculator. I've just taken it out. 20.
What, 20 of them?
20 of these.
No way.
That is a lot.
It is, isn't it? 20 of them. You sure it's not 20 grams or?
It says sugar 100 millilitres. This says 5 millilitres.
100 or 10?
100.
100 millilitres. Okay, that's them done.
100. Okay, let's have 20 then. 1, 2, 3.
1 tablespoon of sugar in 100 millilitres cup of cherries, tomatoes.
Well, luckily I added 2.
Read it properly. 20 of them and you're like, garlic.
Oh, I've got vinegar on my hands.
What? You push your hands in?
That's disgusting. It stinks. You're doing the mozzarella. I'm not doing the mozzarella. Mozzarella stinks. When I did it with Bailey, I was ready to throw up because it actually stank.
Oh, it is buffalo milk. Buffalo milk.
Wait, they milk buffaloes?
Hmm?
They milk buffalo?
Yeah. It's a cow, isn't it? It's like a cow. But it's got horns.
I did not know that. Right, it says great cheddar cheese. Oh, I'll do that. I can do that. Are you sure?
No, they're not.
Yeah, no. I think they were mixed in, Dad.
Yeah,
But I don't want too many
oh,
tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
Bring to the boil, it says, yeah?
Yeah. Rough bite sizes, as if someone ate a bit out of it.
No biting, but
No.
you did bite size, didn't you?
Plate.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's your bowl then?
What bowl, yeah. Wow. Basil brush.
When I think of that, I think of Basil 40. Basil!
Who?
What?
We need this.
There you go, wash it off. I'll keep an eye on this, because it might run off. Is it going?
Yeah, I think so.
20 minutes. Like 45 minutes, she said.
She dried the pan, Ed.
Hmm?
The pasta is
What?
stacked in the pan.
Oh, should have some water in it then.
No, it just says cook for 5 to 10 minutes now. That's quite quick, to be honest. I guess it doesn't have meat in it.
Yeah.
And then it just says serve.
Hot, cold. Let it rest a bit, tidy up.
Okay.
Back. Nice and hot ski.
See you in 5 to 10 minutes. So, what was my personal thoughts on the meal? So, I did really like the pasta and the sauce and things like that. There's certain bits in it that I did not like. That's just because of me. It wasn't because of it isn't because of the way we cooked it or anything like that. I just don't like it in general. Overall, I rate this meal a 6 out of 10, but definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun to film. Bye.